Hello students, I am Dr. Vijayalakshmi, retired Dean of Community Science. Today I am here to inform you that a new course on diet management, health and disease. Now there are various specialized areas in the dietetics. So there we have different dietitians like the clinical dietitians, community dietitians, management dietitians, consultant dietitians, etc. There are a lot of job opportunities for the people who do this course. They can enter into the government jobs and help in the government offices, government hospitals, schools, then prisons and community projects, etc. Then they can also go into the sports and gyms, and they can start their own consultancy. They can go into the private jobs and also to the greater cafeterias, hostels, etc. So with all the advantages in this course, I recommend that all the students should participate in the course. Whether they are interested in the job or not, it is very important for improvement of the health of the individual as well as the society. So this course becomes a very important course, and it is a 3-credit course. I welcome all of you to enroll into this course, and thank you.